था, बंद गुरु पद पदुम परागा, सुरुचि सुबास सरस अनुरागा, अमीय मुरिमे चूरन चारु, समन सकल भव रजु परिवारो। गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी इस पद के माध्यम से यही कहना चाहते हैं कि मैं अपने गुरु की चरणों की उस रज को प्रणाम करना चाहता हूँ, उस रज को सादर नमन करना चाहता हूँ, जिस रज में सुरुचि, सुगंध और अनुराग रच रच में बसा हुआ है। उस रच में एक अमर मूल, एक चूर्ण की भांति है, जिससे भव रोग स्वतः ही, उनका पूरा भव रोगों का पूरा परिवार ही स्वतः समाप्त हो जाता है। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। और हमारे टीचर्स, हमारे गुरु हमारे लिए यही तो है। बचपन से हम यही देखते आए हैं कि हमारे टीचर्स हमारे लिए सब कुछ करते हैं। एक बच्चे के लिए तो टीचर ही सब कुछ होता है। ये बात बिल्कुल सत्य है कि एक बच्चे के लिए जो फर्स्ट सेकेंड होता है, माता पिता से पहले भी टीचर आता है। जो बात टीचर ने कह दी वो तो होनी ही चाहिए, भले ही माता पिता की ना सुने, लेकिन टीचर की अवश्य सुनेंगे। Then it's a game called Name the Film by the Emoji. We will show you some emojis. These are only for teachers. Students need not to reply. It's time that we should announce the result. So the right answer is Chennai Express. The haircut one symbolizes Nai, which is a Hindi word for barber. This was the quite difficult part. So the winner for this round is Reha Chakravarti. This was time was enough, as this one easy. I've got a lot of replies. So the correct answer is blackmail. And the first one to reply, it was Sandhya Ramteke ma'am. But I think it's a very close one between Anshu ma'am and director ma'am. You both were very close. The answer is 0, but I got Anshu's ma'am answer a little earlier. The answer is Ek Fool Do Mali. And this time the winner is Rakhi Saxena ma'am. You were very fast. The right answer is Bhag Milkham Bhag. And I think the constant winner is Sandhya Ramteke ma'am. Well, I must say that this one was a bit confusing between Chak De India and gold. That's why we have put a gold medal over there. So the right answer is gold. And the first one to answer it is Shubham Shukla ma'am. Answer to this one is Sui Dhaga. I was not in the favor of this emoji because it doesn't look like Dhaga to me, but you all are just fantastic. You have guessed the right movie. And the first one to guess it's our DA biology ma'am, Smriti ma'am. I would first like to request our director ma'am, the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to come forward and address us on this beautiful occasion.
And my dear children, my dear especially class 12th children, teachers, principal, HM and Kuhu and Chandra madam. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful programs. Thank you for inviting me. See, that is what Anushka said. See, what is appear to be impossible in the beginning, Milestonians can make it possible. So how the Teachers' Day can be organized on Zoom platform? But it is done. And who has done it? Milestone class 12th students. So congratulations, my dear. You have done wonders. Because, so many limitations. So many, there was nothing much in our hand. But you could do it. Brilliant. So never underestimate the power of a common man. No. Never underestimate the power of class 12th students. Never underestimate the power of Milestonians, and never underestimate the power of present generation. Okay. So, on this 25th celebration of Teachers' Day, this is very important because this is the 25th year we are celebrating the Teachers' Day. और हम बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम करना चाहते थे इस साल, पर ये पेंडेमिक ने सब चीजों को लिमिटेड कर दिया। पर फिर भी टीचर्स डे हमने किया, ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है। मैं एक के बाद एक अनुष्का की ही बात को कहूंगी कि ऑड सिचुएशन में किया, वंडरफुल। सो यू हैव मेड ब्लेसिंग a disguise, you know, this is a blessing in disguise, isn't it? Because सालों साल लोग याद करेंगे कि उस बैच ने जूम प्लेटफॉर्म पर किया था। ओके, बाकी टीचर्स डे मिल जा सकते हैं, ये वाला उस बैच का था, ये वाला उस बैच का था, ये वाला उस बैच का था, पर ये वाला मिक्स्ड अप नहीं होने वाला है, ये उस साल वाले बैच का है। सो ब्यूटीफुल। Another, you said that all the teachers at all the levels loved you. Okay, it is right, because love was not there with the teachers, love was with the student. Anushka, you were ready to reciprocate the love and the affection and guidance which was being given by the teachers all the time throughout. And the teacher who identified the talent in you when you were in class 7th, I second it. And I seconded it on the day of Hindi Kavita Path Day, because the way you spoke the Hindi poem, the Mahabharata, I think you spoke Dinkar's poetry, right?
No, ma'am, it was from Gopal Prasad Maheshwari.
Yes, yes, but it was very good. Maybe I'm confusing with the, with the poet, but it was awesome. Again, I would tell all the students, so teachers always love you, all the teachers, all the time. You have to be ready to reciprocate it. You have to be ready to receive it. आपको लेने वाला बनना पड़ेगा। आप पॉजिटिवली अगर सोचोगे कि ये टीचर्स क्यों अपने बच्चों को प्यार नहीं करेंगे, करेंगे ही। उसी में वो अपना पास्ट देखते हैं कि हम जब छोटे थे तब हम ऐसे थे, तो आपको तो वो प्यार करेंगे ही। आप में लेने की पावर होनी चाहिए, आपके अंदर लेने की क्षमता होनी चाहिए। एक और बात कहूंगी, इस जनरेशन में रामचरितमानस को कोट करना मुझे बहुत गूज़बम्स दे गया, क्योंकि ये सब खोई हुई चीजें हो गई अब। पर हमारे स्कूल में जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अगर ये याद रखते हैं तो हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है। और उसमें भी ऐसी चौपाई, बंदों गुरुपद परंपरागा, उसको आज यहाँ लेके आना, इस जगह बोलना, जस्ट एक्ट एंड जस्ट राइट। ओके, और एक बात मैं कहना चाहती हूँ, जो आप लोगों ने ये एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम दिया, मुझे तो मेरे बचपन के दिन याद आ गए, और मैं तो अभी तक अपने आप को ये सब चीजों में बड़ा बच्चा महसूस करती हूँ। आंसर तो मैंने सभी के दिए, पर सब में मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा लेट होते गई, पर बहुत ब्रिलियंट था ये, इतने लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेस के साथ ये गेस करना। एंड मैं सभी जो विनर्स हैं उनको कंग्रेचुलेट कर रही हूँ कि बहुत जल्दी भाई आपने आंसर खोजा, और इतना अच्छा ये था जिसको हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर कर पाए। और जो आप म्यूजिक का भी लेके आने वाले हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी वंडरफुल। सो द ओनली one program I could see, and the Shreyans, you sang very well, though some limitation of the this connectivity was there, but you really sing well, my dear, and you have a bright future in singing, and you are going to be the singer of Milestone. I have heard you singing so many times. Best of luck, my dear. You have a good time ahead. Okay, and I can see very good programs are waiting, so I will not take a longer time. And I have seen the beautiful card which was sent to me yesterday, and I found it very good. I don't know who has made it, but my sixth sense is telling that Sri Lakshmi has made it. So congratulations, Sri Lakshmi, you are doing a good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are doing a good job. So I am proud of my students. I am proud of the thought. I am proud of the thinking they are carrying, that they are ready to work, they are ready to celebrate with this in this pandemic time. So I am proud of my students. मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ खुश रहना चाहिए। ये आज मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे खुश रहने का एक मौका दे दिया। मैं आप लोगों को स्कूल बहुत मिस कर रहा है, क्योंकि बाकी सब तो अगले साल भी रहेंगे, पर आप लोग तो चले जाओगे। पेंडेमिक जल्दी जाए, इसके पीछे मेरा ये भी रीजन है कि मैं अपने बच्चों से वापस मिलूं, स्कूल फिर से बच्चों के साथ, बच्चों की आवाज के साथ फिर से गुलजार हो, मैं ऐसा चाहती हूँ, ये मैं दुआ करती हूँ। मैं एक बात आप लोगों से और भी कहूंगी लास्ट में, अभी छत्तीसगढ़ में ये पेंडेमिक का बिल्कुल अच्छा टाइम नहीं चल रहा है। थिंग्स आर नॉट गुड आउटसाइड, देयर इज नो प्लेस इन द हॉस्पिटल। सो आप अपने आप को बहुत सेव करके रखो, सभी टीचर्स, सभी बच्चे, अभी आप बिल्कुल स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। पर एक बात और भी कहूंगी, डरना नहीं, जैसा कि अनुष्का के टीचर ने भी कहा था कि वो डर की कल्पना मुझे ज्यादा डराती है, आगे की कल्पना हमको ज्यादा डराती है, पर सेफ रहना अच्छा है। थैंक यू, thank you so much, thank you 12th Ram, you also did I think this game, the music game you have planned, because I could hear your name. Ram, is it okay? So I think the music and the guessing the name is Ram has done it, if I am not wrong. So you are going to do a brilliant job, Ram. Congratulations, and entire 12th team, all my best wishes, good luck, congratulations.
Now we are moving ahead with another very entertaining and very good game, I must say. So once again, I repeat the rules. We will play the music of the game to you all. You have to hear it. The lyrics will not be there, and you have to guess which song it is, and you have to text me. Okay? Answer is आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे, and the first one to answer is our dear director ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Mamta Shukla ma'am. You are the first one to answer this. The right answer is अजीब दास्ता है ये, and the first one to answer is Shubham Shukla ma'am. You are the first one to answer. I'm still not able to understand how you all answer so quickly. The right answer is प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, फिर प्यार से क्यों डरता है दिल. So the first one to answer is Anshu ma'am. Anshu ma'am is the first one this time to answer this. Answer to this one is जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, and the first one to answer this time is Rakhi ma'am. Say that three people are giving a tough fight. Shubham Shukla ma'am, Rakhi ma'am, and Anshu ma'am. You are like just giving by the by answers. But this time the winner is Shubham ma'am, And the right answer to this question is दिल तो पागल है. Yes.
नमस्कार, मैं उशी जायसवाल कक्षा छठी ड की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष अपने इन विचारों को प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। वो माँ नहीं है मेरी, पर शायद ख्याल मेरा उससे भी ज्यादा रखती है। वह पिता नहीं है मेरे, पर उनकी डांट का असर शायद उनसे थोड़ा ज्यादा हुआ करता है। दोस्त नहीं है वो मेरे, पर जाने क्यों हर बेझिझक हर दिल की बात उनसे कह जाती हूँ। शायद मेरे साथ वो भी अपना बचपन जिया करते हैं। वो अपने सपनों को हमारे साथ एक नई नींव दिया करते हैं। सांसें तो हम लेते हैं, लेकिन हमने जीना उनसे सीखा। सांसें तो हम लेते हैं, लेकिन हमने जीना उनसे सीखा। उनके किस्से कहानियों में हमने अपना जीवन सीखा। जब शोर मचाकर परेशान किया, तो उनने हमारे सर पर हाथ दिया। जब शोर मचाकर परेशान किया, तो उनने हमारे सर पे हाथ दिया और इस सालों के तजुर्बे को एक मुस्कान में ढाल दिया। कभी कभी मारा भी, कभी कभी डांटा भी और कभी कभी कान खींचकर गर्राया भी। कभी हाल चाल की खैरियत पूछ उन्होंने हमें संभाला भी। शायद भगवान ने गुरु के रूप में हमें एक आशीर्वाद दिया। शायद भगवान ने गुरु के रूप में हमें एक आशीर्वाद दिया। धन्यवाद।
It's always said that all that is required to change the world is one teacher, one child, one book, and one pen. But today, I'm gonna express my love towards you all. I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in us love that brings me down and makes me sad, you care for me. And when I feel stuck and don't know what to do, you're to guide me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited for the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different because we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us every year. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and where are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of the country, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well-being of the student and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future apart from academics. Teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the idea and thought that one day each one of us will be provide in the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you, everyone.
I'm gonna thanks all my teachers. So first of all, a lots and lots of thanks to all the participants and especially teachers to join this celebration and accepting our invitation for the auspicious function. All my friends and teachers made the day fully enthusiastic and enjoyable. So on account of closing the ceremony of this celebration, I would like to express my gratitude heartily to all the participants and give a very, very special thanks to all our teachers who all are our second parents and our gurus and still guiding us and helping us in this disastrous and epidemic situation. So thanks a lot and happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you.